People think AI is replacing humans online, but something much more interesting is actually happening. AI is making human identity more valuable than ever before. The internet is now flooded with unlimited information, videos, captions, visuals, and polished communication. Everything looks perfect, and audiences can feel it. A few years ago, people were impressed by whoever could create the most content. But now people are becoming emotionally exhausted by constant noise. The internet feels crowded with pages that look good but feel empty. You can already notice it while scrolling. Some creators have perfect editing, trending topics, and strong visuals, yet people forget them instantly. Meanwhile, another creator shares a raw opinion, an imperfect thought, or a personal perspective, and audiences connect immediately. Because humans emotionally remember humans, not perfection, not automation, not endless polished communication. This is why podcasts are exploding again. This is why personality-driven brands are becoming stronger. People are searching for something emotionally recognizable. For years, the internet rewarded speed. But AI changed that overnight because now almost everyone can create fast. So, what becomes rare now? Perspective, personality, experience, emotional truth. The more artificial the internet becomes, the more valuable human identity becomes. And that difference will define who survives the next era of the internet. If you want deeper breakdowns on internet psychology, audience behavior, online positioning, and where the internet is heading next, explore the BIZBoost ecosystem. Comment ecosystem, and we will connect you directly.